Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify for fonts and typography, but this isn't quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So let's enter the website first. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want, so I'm gonna skip this. Discontinue. uh, Now choose an account and wait a few seconds to build in this store. So the first move you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes. So here you can change your themes, select any theme you want and wait to install the themes, and after this you can publish it and customize it on your store. So I'm gonna just skip the down theme. So now you can customize. It will take you to your store. So here first thing we have the style. If you want to change the style, you can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So for me, I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop style. Here this is the settings where you can design your home page, your store. So first we have here the header, the announcement bar. Here you can change the color scheme. You can show separate line, you can show icons on desktop. Also you can turn this on, auto rotate announcements. You can enable country and region selector, and also you can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text. If you want to pass a link or search for something, you can search for, I'm going to select all collections. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the header section. This is the desktop logo position. You can change it. Also you can change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type. Here if you want to change the sticky header, you can show separate line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here you can edit the mobile layout, the mobile logo position. So you can edit the spacing and the section pad in the top and the bottom. So here you can change the theme settings. You can enable search suggestions. Here if you want to add your social media links, your Twitter link or your Facebook link or Instagram or YouTube or whatever you want to add here. Now let's move on to the logo. So here you have to add your logo from your library. So for example, let's search on it on the browser, fonts and typography, logo ideas like this. So for example I'm gonna choose this. So of course this is just for example. You have to choose this from your library. This is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time you want. You can edit the desktop logo width and the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the image banner. So here you have two images. If you want to add two images, you can add just one. Here the first image and the second image. So for example, let's search on some images on the browser. So for example, this is your, so this is, here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. You can change the desktop contents position. You can show container on desktop. Here you can change the color scheme, the animations. You can edit the animations, the image behavior. You can change the mobile layout. You can turn this on, stack image on mobile and show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the heading of this. Generate the text, describe what this text is about. Fonts and typography. You can change here the heading size. I'm gonna make it medium. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label and the first button link. Here you can visit a link or connect a dynamic source. You can use outline button style. If you already added the second image, you can add the second button label and the second button link. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the featured collection section. So here you can generate the heading, generate the text. uh, you can change the heading size, you can generate the description also here, fonts and typography. You can show collection description from the admin, you can change the description style. Here if you wanna make products full width, you can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. You can enable carousel on desktop, you can edit the product card, the image ratio and the image shape. Here if you wanna show second image on hover and show vendor and show product region, enable quick add button. So that's it. After you're done from this, you can add, if you want to add section, if you want to add something new on your homepage, you can click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage as you like. So that's it. Now let's move on to the footer section, the last section on the website. So here you can change the color scheme. You can change this. You can show email sign up. Also you can generate the text here. Here you can enable follow on shop, you can show social media icons. So that's it. Now let's save this. After you're done from designing your website, you can save this, and let's exit from here to the dashboard. So now after you customize your online store, after you add your first product and import your products, you can add the custom domain, add the domain, you can add the sharing details. So next move is name your store. Type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone and you can change your store email. So let's save this. Now after you customizing and done from the setup guide, all you have to do now is set up a payment provider and set your shipping rate, and after this all you have to do is launch your online store and pick a plan and publish your online store, easy and quick. So that's it for today. That's how to customize a site or a store for fonts and typography business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.